Hi, this is Ashley Fleischer with Refresh Tea and Soap Company in London, England, and I thought I would make a short video here from my bathroom because where else do you wash your hair with your shampoo bar than in your bathroom? Excuse me. So I keep getting asked, how do you use a shampoo bar? Which obviously if you make shampoo bars, you're going to get asked this question. And so I will tell you, here's mine. It's quite small. It's well used. I take it in my hand, wet it up, and then bar to head and squish it around, and I find that that's the best solution. I do that once and then I completely rinse my hair, and then I just take it in my hands and I do it a second time and I just use my hands and not the bar. Different people will find that different processes work for them, different hair, different thicknesses of hair, different scalp. Obviously we all have a bit of a different situation. I'm also working on a conditioner bar, which should help some of you and has been requested, and as well, so I use the mint green tea bar, this one, and we also have a citrus purple tea bar, which is a little bit more, a little softer. This one you can feel the tingling because there's mint and tea tree in it, so it's really good for your scalp. The other one is good for you too, but this is just my preference. Anyway, I'll hope to see you on the website and see you again soon. Thank you.